In this video, I will show you different ways to come up with phrases for your t-shirts, including a new tool from Vexels that uses AI to help generate ideas for any topic. When it comes to designing your t-shirts, it's essential to have a great and original idea that resonates with your target audience. That's where Vexels' new code generator comes in. If you're not aware of Vexels, Vexels is considered to be a one-stop shop where you can use to grow your print-on-demand business or merch design business. This is, of course, besides the hundreds and thousands of design templates and ready-made designs that you can use for your print-on-demand business. So, firstly, follow the link in the description, which will bring you straight to Vexels code generator. You can use the generator for free even if you're new to Vexels. You only need to submit your email and password to create an account. Once you're in, you can type in a topic or a niche in the search mask or choose from the popular niches that Vexels has given as presets. The tool will quickly think and give you back various different quotes about things in that niche. For example, if we choose the coffee niche, the tool will generate different quotes about coffee. The length of the quote is adjustable and you can choose from a range of moods such as funny, motivational, sad, pessimistic, and others. So these moods are considered when generating your quote, ensuring that it resonates with your audience and the message and the concept behind your design. And we can play with the bar to change the length of the quotes. The quote generator is powerful because it can generate quotes for even the smallest niche topics, and you can just hover over the quote to copy it using the copy button, or you can just download the phrases that you have for your design. So the generator is an incredible tool that makes your life so much easy. So let's try to use one of the quotes about raccoon. I always like raccoon and I like to make designs about raccoon. So I'm gonna use the raccoon quotes to make a design about raccoon on Vexels T-shirt Maker. You can watch my previous video, which will be in the description, to understand how you can use the Vexels T-shirt Maker step by step. Once we open the T-shirt Maker platform, you can change the mockup mode to an artwork mode. So I'm gonna search for raccoon. I'm gonna use this image as my main design image. Now using the text tab, I'm gonna place some text. And once I highlight the text and press the paste button, the copied quote will be pasted directly to my artboard, which makes the process of designing much faster now. So we can play with the text shape like so. And actually, I'm gonna use the quote generator to generate an additional quote for the same design to add as a second text. So this raccoon attitude text is cool. And we can add a background. Play with the text a little bit, or simply, just to make this video short, I'm gonna use one of Vexels templates to create my design. Just go to the templates and choose the one you like, ungroup the elements and change the text. I'm gonna use the same raccoon image and I'm gonna change the text with my raccoon text that has been generated using the code generation tool. And after we are satisfied with the design, we can download the design directly using the download button. And this will download the design with the mockup. Or we can simply use Vexels mockup generator to add the design to a mockup. And here you have it, the fastest way to create designs online. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. I'll leave a link in the description for the quote generator to try it out yourself, in addition to all Vexels subscription plans. Thanks for watching.